This is probably one of the only tools you'll ever buy that'll pay for itself the first day you have it. My name is Dennis Grivey. I've been a heavy equipment operator and mechanic for most of my adult life. The leading cause of fuel consumption, turbo damage, and engine damage is air filters. Clogged air filters consumes more fuel. If you have a 600 horsepower engine, this device will save you as much as 5 gallons an hour. If you have a 12-hour shift, that's going to save you 60 gallons in fuel, coming to about $250 in savings. This is a centrifugal force air induction chamber known as a filter blaster. Its air ride technology allows you to clean any type filter from only 3.5 inches inside diameter and only 3 inches tall to 12 inches inside diameter, clear up to 6 foot tall air filters. It's air ride technology, so you have no ball bearings, no needle bearings, no grease. At 135 PSI here, this bearing is doing 2,700 RPMs with inside that filter element. So not only have you sealed the filter element, not allowing any dirt to get back inside, but even if you went up to 200 pounds PSI here, the air jackets never allow any more than 48.2 pounds to come out of any one air jacket, number one. Number two, she's going so fast, you never have a direct blast of air to damage the filter cleats and elements. So simply set it in, seal the filter element, you're good to go, turn on your ball valve, and move the device up and down, and let the rotary or air ride bearing clean out your filter in a matter of seconds. Generally 30 to 45 seconds and your filter is clean, ready to go back in your piece of equipment and you're saving fuel. Any smaller filters, ATVs, shop vacs, simply put on another air ride bearing, set it down, and now you're ready to go for even your smaller filters. We have a 3, a 6, and a 9-inch rotor to cover just about any canister filter that's out there on the market today. And if any one tool that you guys need, this would be it. Get a filter blaster.
Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please visit www.shoupparts.com or call and talk to one of our highly trained sales staff at 1-800-627-6137. Shoup Manufacturing, keeping farms running since 1977.